Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. And today, as you can see, I took out the radio, the Android radio unit. So today this is what we're gonna do. So we're gonna try and replace the fan, because this thing have been working great for, let's say, 6 months already, and now it become very extremely noisy. So I try to replace that fan with a new one. New one I got from Amazon. It's a little bigger, but trying to figure it out somewhere that we can replace that fan. So first thing you want to do is unplug this thing. There you go. Now we're gonna take out this fan and see if there any way we can install a bigger fan in here. Instead, this little one is somehow it become extremely noisy. So there it is, little noisy fan. 12 volt, as you can see. It's a 12 volt 0.05 amp. Okay, tiny fan compared to the new one. It's a lot bigger, as you can see. And this one 0.05 amp, and this one is 0.1. It's a little bigger, so somehow I want to install right here, like this way, so that should do it. Yeah, I'm back. So finally, I just trying to find stuff around the house, if I can use it. And like I said, I took out this cover. I didn't put that back. And you know, it might not look pretty, but it's gonna work, because I got 2 screws going down here. One's gonna go into this cover, the other one's fit in the screw hole at the bottom. And now this thing is just stay in place. That's good. So I'll go ahead and put it back, everything in, and turn on the engine and see how does it work. And as you can see, let's go. So let me put this back in here and set it up, and I'll show you what's going on. So give me a second. I cannot do this with one hand, so you guys have to wait a little bit, okay? So I got everything connected in. Let me try to turn it on, test it out, and see how the fan works, okay? Let me see if the fan turn on. So the Android logo is loading, but doesn't seem like the fan turn on. So I'm still waiting for the fan to turn on. Okay. Fan doesn't look like it's turning on, so let me go and test it out. Okay, let me loading navigation. I don't need that. Go back to home and let's go to the fan. Okay, fan speed right here. Okay, let's turn on manually, so the fan should turn on. And as you can see right here, the fan does turn on and you barely hear any noise. See the fan turn on and you didn't hear any noise, and you can feel the air is pushing out. So it looked nice. Everything looked like it's working fine. I'll go ahead and install everything back in, and I will test it out for a couple of days, and I will give you guys an update on this and see how it works. But sorry for shaky video, because I have to do this with one hand and look like it's working. So that's it for this video. I hope you find it useful, and I also have the fan link that you can buy from Amazon in my video description, in case if you need it, or in case if you have a problem with the fan, it's so loud. Okay, this is gonna be a bonus feature. Okay, since the fan is noisy, let's try to hook it up right now and see how noisy it is. So I'm gonna hook directly to a 12-volt battery and see how noisy it is. So here we go. Test it out. Get ready, go. I hope you can hear that noise. Hear that noise? So that's the noise I got from when I sit in the car. It's quite annoying. The new one is a lot quieter, and the new one is a lot bigger, so it's gonna move the air a lot better than this one. But I hope you can pick up that noise. So that's it. That's it for this video. And I will see you guys. Hope you guys find it useful. Like I said, I did have a product link, Amazon link, on my video description if you want to get the same fan that I got for replacement. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find it useful, and I will see you guys on the next video. Alright, bye.